Here we have a Vivid Voltage booster pack. If you would like to purchase some Vivid Voltage, just click the link in the description. Right. Oh, we got a Celebii on the Celebii pack. Now if we can get a Celebii Amazing Rare, now that would be sick. But highly unlikely. Alright, let's see. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check some bendage. Ooh, you got a little bendage, but that looks like reverse bend. Water Energy, Kakuna, Stunkfish, Shuppet, Pushina, Voltorb, Rockruff, Talo, Toucannon. I always pull this hollow. It's a hollow Magearna. Alright, like I said, if you'd like to purchase some Vivid Voltage, just click the link in the description and peace out.